Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at how we can connect a Linux Mint machine to a Wi-Fi or wireless network. I have a Linux Mint device here, and we'll look at some of the ways we can connect to the wireless or Wi-Fi network. Now, to check your network connections, you can go to your menu here and search for network. And you see these two options, network and advanced network configuration. So if you click on network, so here you'll see what interfaces you currently have and whether you're connected or not. So it's showing I have wired here, loopback, and network proxy. So right now I'm only using my wired connection. So on this device, I'm going to be using a USB based wireless adapter to do the Wi-Fi connection. So as we can see here, nothing is listed. And another way you can check it, you go to this icon here and left click on it. You have this option, network settings. And this is going to show you the same thing. Okay, you can also open your terminal and do ifconfig. It's going to show you the interfaces you have. You can also do IP address. Okay, so it's just showing me two interfaces here. Now, let me go ahead and connect or plug in my USB based wireless adapter. Okay, so I have the wireless adapter plugged in. I'm gonna open the settings again. I'm gonna go to menu. I'm gonna do network here. Let's see what we're seeing this time. As you can see, this time I'm showing Wi-Fi, and it's giving me a list of the available Wi-Fi networks to connect to one. So I've already had connected to this previously, and it saved the password. So I have a check mark here. So you'll have to select your wireless network, and then if you click on it, you'll be prompted to put your password. So this is what it's going to look like. And you can always click on the settings icon here, which will show you the IP address you're pulling. It will also show you the DNS information. And then here you also have the option for the password. And then you can change, if you have to change this for your security, this is where you'll change it. Now, if you wanted to do a static IP, this is where you'll change it. You'll go to manual. And then here you also have an option for your DNS. And then you have the routes. Okay, so once you made any changes, you have to click apply. So that's how you'd connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now, if you're not seeing your Wi-Fi network, that probably means you have an underlying hardware issue. That's why it's not, showing Wi-Fi on this window here. If I open the terminal and repeat the commands I ran earlier, you see that now it's showing the third interface here. Same thing with this one. That's the third interface for the wireless network. Okay, if you left click on this, you'll see that now we have available networks showing. Again, you can select it to connect to it. Now you can go to network connections. It's going to show you any Wi-Fi connections you previously connected to. Again, you have the option to edit your connections here. It's got more options. So you can add whatever information you might want to change, but that's where you change it. You can get to this window from the menu as well. If you go to the advanced option, if you type network, advanced network configuration is gonna bring up the same window we just saw earlier. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to your Wi-Fi network on a Linux Mint device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.